Well, they say when the potatoes look like they're about dead, then that's when they're ready. So let's see if I have any potatoes in here. Let me kind of dig first before I start pulling. Oh my gosh, I have a potato. Oh wow, look how cute it is. It's small. All right, I'm taking this in the house. I'm gonna put it right there. See if there's any other ones. Oh my gosh, I love potatoes. I eat so many. Ooh, that one's tiny. It looks like I can actually replant that one. Stick that one back in. But here's one. This looks like a good size one. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, how cool is this? This is my first time growing potatoes. Wow. This is too cool. I have potatoes. I'm a big potato head. I love to eat potatoes. Let's see what else is going on down there in that soil. I mean, that's not a big harvest. 2 good-sized potatoes. Let's see what else is going on in there. I'm kind of afraid to pull them because just in case they're not done growing. Let's see. Is there anything else down there? All right, that looks like that might be it for the potatoes on this side. I don't feel any more in there. I like doing the clear containers because you can see them better. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, here's something. But that one's tiny. That's a little one. That's an itty bitty potato. Let me feel down in there. Another small one. Wow. Yeah, they're still growing. Look at that. There's little small ones. So they really aren't ready. Let's see what's over here. This one. Yeah, they're still small. They're still growing. They're still growing. I'm gonna let them stay in there so they can grow a little bit more. This one, I kind of broke it off already, so let me put that over here with this one. Oh shoot, that one broke off too. Well, hey, little potatoes, better than nothing at all, right? This one's pretty good size. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh my gosh. Wow, what a weird looking potato shape. That's pretty weird. Oh, there's another one, but it's tiny. It's itty bitty. I don't feel anything down there. So I'll leave those. They're still growing. Alright, nothing to it but just to do it, right? Let's dig on down there. As you can see, I love sticking my hands in the dirt. Okay. Well, there aren't very many of them. This is my first time growing potatoes. So, most of them are too small for right now. So I'm just going to keep them in there and let them keep growing. Oh, goodness. That's too small. Let them stay in there longer. Cover those back up. Mama needs some potatoes. Stick those back in there. It's about to rain, so I don't have to worry about watering them. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna grow some in the house, so I'll have time. There's another one right there. I'll have plenty of time for harvesting because I heard that it takes the whole season for them to really yield. But I have a few for right now, a little bit early. Cool. I think that's pretty cool. I haven't tried to dig up my own sweet potatoes yet. I have 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4, 5. That's 5 cute little potatoes. That's not one. So that's not bad. I'm afraid to dig up the sweet potatoes. I don't think they're ready yet. These are all sweet potatoes. They got so much rain, that's why they look yellow. But those don't look bad at all. They're nice and green and pretty. All this right here, these are sweet potatoes. Look how tall they are. They're almost as tall as me. Let me see something. Let me go around here. Wow, these are the sweet potato plants right here. They are tall. Look at this. This is taller than me. Wow, this is taller than me. Look how tall that is. I'm gonna have to go on YouTube and see when sweet potatoes are ready because I don't really know and I'm kind of afraid to dig for the heck of it. But all these died off. They got too much water, potatoes, because I mean it has just been like mad raining. I'm not even gonna try to go in there and see if there's any potatoes because it's wet. That's what it's wet. It rains so much. Look at that. Yeah, there's a little teeny tiny potato, but it didn't finish growing. Yeah. A couple other ones, but they're small. Yeah, that one didn't do good at all. It got too much rain. It got way too much rain, so I'm gonna have to redo the potatoes and stuff for this one, but there's at least there's a few. I can actually have some potatoes for breakfast in the morning. This is like 2 days worth of potatoes because I'm telling you, I am a potato woman, like for real. I eat a lot of potatoes, so this is like 2 days worth of, maybe 3 worth of potatoes for breakfast. As you can see, I can't even grab them, hold them in my hand. Hold on. There we go. Two-handed job. So that's not bad. Look at that.